morning, Mona.
Good morning, Neethu.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Why you are standing here? You didn't went to the class?
Class will started at 9 o'clock, Neethu. Now only 8:30.
Yeah, you are right. And this is the first day after completing our internship. Where you did your internship?
I did my internship Fruits Industries India Limited at Coimbatore.
Oh, it's a horror manufacturing company.
Yes,
no?
Neethu. It's India's #1 horror manufacturing company and 6th largest horror manufacturing company in the world.
Oh, so you had a great experience. You got a very good opportunity in very big company.
Yes, Neethu. Where did your internship?
Actually, Mona, I did my internship in Chennai. That is my hometown. And I did in company Lucas Indian Service. It's a group of Lucas TVS.
It's a service sector, I'm right?
Yeah, Mona, it's a service sector, you are correct. But they have over 22 branches. They have in that only the unit where I did my internship. They only provide both service and they manufacture some products like ignition coil and forestry relays, brush gears, and small spare parts for the Lucas TVS in Paddy. And what about your company? You just elaborate me. I heard a lot about Roots, so I just want to know more about Roots.
Of course, Neethu. I'm so eager about that. Roots Group was founded by Mr. K. Ramaswamy in the year 1970. Roots promoted name on American Auto Service. It has 12 dealers and 2 service sectors. One is school, another one is home care. Roots produces electric horns. Roots is a leading supplier to vehicle manufacturers like Bosch, Ford, Tata Motors, Toyota. You know, Neethu, other companies have different objectives, vision and missions. Roots objectives, visions and missions are same. That is, zero accident in the work environment, zero cost loss and zero product defect. Neethu, can you share about your internship?
Yeah, Mona, as I started about my internship, I'll say about a few points. It is as you told that you have some dealers. In like this, we have 1,500 dealers and
1,500?
Yeah, Mona, 1,500 dealers. And you said that you have different mission objectives in our company. There are separate mission objectives, and the vision is to provide a good quality product to their customers. And LIS, that is a Lucas Indian Service, is the only company which position itself as an aftermarket solution provider to their customers. And they are both retailer and distributor in the whole market. And they are one of the leading manufacturing industry in all over India. And the environment of the company is totally friendly. They live together as a family members. And Lucas have a joint venture with the Nippon Indian Limited company. And if you see, Mona, over 5 decades, they manufacture ignition coils for the petrol-driven vehicles.
Why only petrol-driven vehicles, Neethu?
Actually, if you see that diesel vehicles, more smoke will become, and because of that smoke, the environment will get polluted. That's why from 1936 itself, they are manufacturing ignition coils only for the petrol-driven vehicles.
Okay, Neethu, it's time for class. Let's move.
Okay, Mona, we'll continue our discussion during break hour. Okay, we'll move.
Bye.
In Roots, what are the production process they are following?
Yes, Neethu, Roots production process have 4 levels of process: press up, powder coating, coil welding and assembly. Press up means stainless steels and spring steels that change the shape of the child spots by the application for the pressure. Next level is powder coating. Child spots dipped into the zinc phosphate. After that, they dipped into the water because high level of zinc phosphate affect to the child spots. Water is product that. Next level is coil winding, Neethu. An electromagnetic coil is the electric conductor such as a wire in the shape of a coil. It is used to power supply.
Okay, Mona, I show you the production video for ignition coils that is manufacturing in Lucas.
Neethu, I am also have a assembly video. I show you later.
Okay, Mona. So you just come with me. I'll show you that.
Okay, Neethu.
First, they do the assembly of primary and secondary winding. The primary winding is to prevent premature sparking at the start of the primary plug. The secondary winding is used to connect spark plug. Then this is a fabrication process in that the material bound with primary and secondary coils. It is now brought to the stage where it is to be fabricated. Then they go for the tining and scratches in that the terminals are dipped into molten mixture of tin and lead. Then after this they go for lamination assembly. So this is a process of lamination assembly. The next stage, they go for body and base tight assembly. They put the rubber into the coil, and they go for winding a coil case hydraulic, and they do the soldering and coil top assembly and mark the manufacturing date. Then they fill the oil into the can and tight the center screw. Finally, they check the leakage test, and based on the leakage test, they go for performance test. Now we are going to see the production process of Roots Industries India Limited, Coimbatore.
This is the horn assembly process. First step is spool assembly. Diaphragm rotating angle machine used to point, hold it and tuning. Screw locate the center of stiffness. Second step is terminal based assembly riveting. Diaphragm stainless steel, keep ring and tone disc joined to one by one in the terminal based assembly process. After that, decenter pumping machine pumping of the screw 19.9 degree and 8.12 mm is the air pumping level. Next step is diaphragm assembly, tightening and high measuring. Spot the signs of the harness pass together. After that, gasket selection. Seal which fills the space between stainless steel and tone disc. Next step is bowls feeding. Final stage is horn pre-tuning and mounting. Bracket assembly to use the tight the screws. Final stage is checking every single horn tested from horn testing room. Horn sound producing level is 20 to 120 Hz. Horn is non-defective. Finally, result is displayed to the screen.
Mona, we learned more in HR class today.
Yes, Neethu, we learned about recruitment, selection and training and development departments.
So Mona, if we compare our subject into our company, then there also HR departments are there. So in Roots, how they are recruiting the people?
Neethu, they are recruiting their people through direct interview and campus interview based on their education and experience. Training and development department provided training for 15 days. After that, they are conducting knowledge sharing section.
Wow, so this much lengthy recruitment selection process is there in Roots. If you see Luca's recruitment selection process and all, they'll recruit the persons through various dealers, and after recruiting, the candidates will come to the selection process, and the selection section will be handed over to the HR manager. And after selection, the HR manager will give training to the employees for 1 year. And you know, Mona, that till now there is no strike in Lucas. The company provide more benefits to the employees. They give education benefits without any interest. They give PF to the employees, and every company the employer will give to the employee only 10% bonus. But in Lucas, they provide 20% bonus to the employees.
Oh, 20%?
Yeah, Mona. And the employee who completed 5 years, he will get a 1.5 years extra gratuity benefit from their employers. And And they also get a lot of snacks and all during evening times, and ESI benefits, medical insurance, and fire safety. If there is any problem through fire means, they'll provide for that also. They'll provide compensation for that also. Insurance policies, there is insurance policy for each and every employees along with the family members. What about Roots? What are the benefits they are providing to the employee?
Roots give pension, PF, education loans for employees' higher studies and employees' children's higher studies, travel allowance, medical allowance.
Okay. In Lucas, if you see, they'll provide gloves and cooling glasses and a mat, that is a rubber mat, to protect the employees' health care. Okay. The main objectives of the company is to satisfy their customers by providing good quality product through advanced technology. Mona, we'll move to the lab. We have now section in lab, so we'll move there and we'll discuss that. Balance will discuss that.
Okay, Neethu.
Each and every company is implementing ERP software. So there are totally, as we studied in our ERP subject, there are totally 5 big packages are there. That is SAP, BAN, Oracle, and JD Edward and PeopleSoft. In that, in Roots, which software they are implementing?
Yes, Neethu. Roots implemented in SAP.
Okay, so they implement a SAP. Mona, in our company also they implemented SAP system only. Only for HR department they use portal systems.
Okay, Neethu, we'll go for a cup of tea.
Yeah, sure, Mona. Come.
Okay.
Mona, what's the role of marketing manager in Roots?
Marketing manager receives the order through mail and phone calls. Roots' main strategy is produced the order according to customer requirement. Finally, they are prepared 3 colors, invoice bills and cover bill.
The main strategy of Lucas TVS is to provide a good quality product to their customers with a cheaper cost, because nowadays more competition has been came into the market, so everyone is trying to manufacture similar products with a high cost. But Lucas, the company has been started from the long very back, around 5 decades back. That's why the customers have lot of trust on Lucas, and they'll buy for their vehicle, they'll buy the coils for their vehicle from Lucas only. So Mona, who are the customers of Roots?
They have only one customer, Neethu, Hella Mira.
Okay. In Lucas, if you see, more customers are there, but main customer is Yashodhara Prasing, and he's a main customer. And apart from this, Mahindra and Tafe, Royal Enfield, like this, a lot of customers are there for Lucas. And if you see, there are around 160 suppliers are there. Mona, you said me in starting that Bosch is your customer, but in concern of Lucas, Bosch is our competitors.
Oh, is it, Neethu?
Yeah, Mona, he's our competitors. He's the main competitors of Lucas TVS. They use the strategy of in first. Now the GST has been come, so there is not a problem at all. But before GST, for the purpose of tax, or for the reducing the tax, they, for example,
Different tax for different states.
Yeah. Just for reducing the tax money, they kept only 3 warehouses. So if, for example, the Lucas, the company having in Mumbai, they'll transfer their finished products into Chennai, so the tax rate will be reduced. Like that, they follow the strategy. But now recently it won't be happen because of the GST. And as I told you, Mona, that this is a service company, so they have separate warehouse workshop facilities also. That is, they have separate workshop departments they have, and they trained employees for auto electrical parts and auto electrical fuel injection systems, so that they provide a good service to their customers, and they provide service only for their product, which their group companies are manufacturing. Mona, in Lucas, till now they follow the zero defect. They use a breakdown, or the maintenance managers always try to bring out zero defects from the machines. For that purpose, they use breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance. You know, Mona, apart from India, they are exporting outside also countries like Turkey, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, and some other countries also.
Roots exporting countries: Germany, Singapore, Malaysia, China.
Okay, Mona, now it's the time for going home, so we'll meet tomorrow.